Hey, I'm Sam and I Do Design. I am back with the weekly design challenge, and this week I'm sketching a really ugly shower head. Okay, so this week we are back in the Procreate app and I'm going to show you a few tips and tricks on how to get the most out of the new 4.1 update. So as always guys, I'm going to use some reference materials so that I can do the sketch as quick as possible. So I've put in this image of someone taking a shower and I'm just going to go around the outline all on a different layer, and then I can go through and add more of a thick line or a thin line if I need to make things more obvious or not. So especially around the face, I'm going to add more of a thicker line to really make that more bold, and in sort of the hands areas as well, just to give it some more definition. So with the person done, on a new layer again, I'm going to start doing the shower, and actually I'm now using the Procreate Symmetry tool, which is available in the tab bar at the top. And using the assisted layer, and also I can change it from a normal symmetry mode to a radial symmetry mode, which you'll see here, and I can put in the shower head holes into the surface. So now I'm going to start adding the colour in, and I'm using some really bold colours, just like the Memphis design style, and they really don't go together, but it's just having some fun. It's all about being crazy and expressive. I really wouldn't own this shower head, but I just wanted to have some fun sketching it. And then adding in some detail to make it look shiny chrome on the bottom. And then again, just pushing and pulling the highlights and shadows to just give it some more pop. And then I'll be adding in a vignette at the back to give the essence of a steamy shower, and then adding in some quick highlights at the end, and finished. So again guys, this was a really ugly shower. I definitely wouldn't own it. But I just wanted to have some fun with it, add some crazy colours in there, some crazy shapes, and test out the symmetry tool in Procreate as well. It was really quick and easy to use a symmetry tool, and also having the radial symmetry tool really helped as well for adding in the shower head holes. The only thing left to do now is post it onto Instagram and see if the weekly design challenge puts it on their page. So there it is guys, I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. Don't forget to go and check out Jacob's video or on his channel. And don't forget to go and look at the weekly design challenge over on Instagram to see if we got reblogged. As always, like, comment, subscribe, bell button, anything else that YouTube asks you to do if you want to see these videos in the future. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.